Hi, I'm Jenny, the social media manager at Autoshop Solutions. We are an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, we're going over why you should post your job listings on Facebook. If you're looking to fill a vacancy quickly and efficiently, posting a job on Facebook is a great way to do it. With over 2 billion active users, your job ad will reach a large audience quickly. And since Facebook is a social platform, candidates are likely to already be familiar with your company and its culture. Facebook is an ideal place to post jobs because people are already spending time on it. That means that even if a qualified person didn't see your job ad, their family and friends may see it and pass it along. Here's another reason: it's free. Nearly all job sites charge you to post an ad. So if you have a limited budget, a Facebook job listing is perfect for you. It shows up in search results for people searching Facebook for jobs. Your fans and followers can even share the job post for you, reaching an even wider audience without spending any money. That being said, if you want to reach a specific demographic or if you're not too active on Facebook, you can choose to target your audience by location and other demographics through paid ads. That way, you can ensure that your job post reaches the right people. On top of all that, it's also just easy. Facebook has made posting a job simple and an intuitive experience. It can take less than 5 minutes to have a job ad live. You can communicate with applicants through Facebook Messenger, and those applicants can easily apply with the click of a button. Their information populates automatically from their Facebook profile, but they can edit their information before submitting it. Since it's that simple, it's sure to be popular with candidates, and that means you can choose from a larger pool of applicants. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.